Hi, I'm Ashley with Sjolie and this is the Sjolie Barrier Cream. Barrier Cream is just that. It's a cream that goes onto the hands and feet, any really excessively dry areas, that's going to act as a barrier to keep DHA from absorbing into the skin. Now, the way DHA works, it's reacting with your dead skin cells on that top layer of skin. Well, on your palms, your feet, those types of areas, they run excessively dry, so they're going to pull deeper penetration, and that's how you can get some really unnatural looking tan lines, some really bad fade, and just some really bad coloring. What we're gonna do is you wanna pump this straight into the client's palms, leave it nice and thick, flip them over, do their fingernails and their cuticles. Same kind of process on the edges of the feet, the back of the heels, on the toenails themselves. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna keep that penetration from going there. Now, post-spray, you need to make sure you're wiping it completely off. A common thing that happens is the client will end up rubbing in their barrier cream and they just made a really intense self-tanner. Their palms are gonna pull discolored. They're gonna look kind of orange and yucky. We don't want that to happen. So what you're gonna do as the professional is help them out. Take a dry, just black hand towel. Help them wipe it completely off of their palms, off of their fingernails. Same goes with their feet. And then you're gonna really ensure that they look natural. They're not gonna have that over processing, that kind of not natural kind of coloration happening.